Suno just completely revamped how stems are generated and built for Pro and Premier users. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about what's new and how to use the new features. To access stems, find a song in your library, click the three dots, hover over Download, and then scroll down to Get Stems and click on that. You'll get a brand new pop-up box, and stems is now split into three categories, and I'm going to go over each and every one of them. The old method of extracting stems is now known as auto-split. This method has Suno scan your songs and isolate them, and it will determine what stem should be extracted. The challenge with this method is that it leaves Suno to determine what it thinks the stems should be. Let me play you a quick sample of what the old stem extraction sounds like. The brand new method is what Suno refers to as advanced split. Click on it, and the difference with this method is Suno listens to the song in the background and recreates the stem from scratch. But you'll notice after clicking on advanced split, there's no ability to click on the extract button. If you look at this search for instrument here, you can actually drill down which specific stems you want to extract. And if you keep scrolling through it, there's so many options. It just keeps going and going and going and going. There must be 50 or more options available in order to extract, versus if we go back to auto split, you'll notice that it just defaults to about maybe 10 or 12 options. So you've got way more granular control over how you use these stems. Once you have the stem, you can then go ahead and extract it, but it doesn't have to be just one. You can click on as many of them as you wish, and then click the X to delete them if you made a mistake. And then when you're ready, you just extract the stems that you want. Let's hear what this drum sounds like using advanced split. You have the ability to cycle between two different options, and if you don't like either one, there's a regenerate button that you can click on. If you're satisfied with the stem, you can go ahead and click the download button, and then if you want to delete the stem, click on the three dots, click delete, and then if you want to open it directly in Studio to start editing, you've got that button right there. Then there's split from mix. How this works is, let's say you want to only isolate a very specific sound from the song. It'll default to lead vocal, but you can click on it and then you can again scroll through the many list of options that you have available to you. I'm going to use the same drum kit. I'm going to click extract. What Suno does with this is on the top, you're going to get just the isolated sound that you wanted. And then on the bottom, the second sample is going to be the rest of the song with everything kept in. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content popping up that you can click on right here.